hand like that?
Because he's going to shotgun it. What's up, guys? I'm Justin Swanson. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Look, see, we already got him on live over here. Before I go through and wreck this car so I can't make it to Cleetus and Cars, we come up with a bright idea, me and my brother, that we're going to try to jump the Slick VIC over. I'm a little bit out of breath.
What?
Hey, can you move your Can-Am so I can jump the ramp?
No.
Please. Professional.
Yeah.
Professional.
When your mom sees that video right there, that's going to be a proud moment for her there, buddy.
Look. But I got my hard hat because, you know, proper PPE, safety attire. Tyler, move the thing. We're sending it.
Exactly why when I leave, you don't get nothing done.
We're sending it. Look, we got the Can-Am.
You got two new hire guys.
Got the Can-Am. We're training them. Hey, we're training them. They are in training right now. So we got the Slick VIC over there. We call it the Slick VIC. We're going to jump the Slick VIC over the pile of millions we got right here. Once Tyler moves his Can-Am. Actually, we're going to go back there and do some donuts with it real quick. I may not make it to the Cleetus and Cars, but that's okay. We're going to have some fun right now. Oh, you got it stuck. How did you get it stuck? I give you one job and you go get it stuck. Tyler! Now I'm all dirty. Hey, Justin! Come here. All right, guys, so let's get this thing unstuck. Once we get unstuck, man, I'm ruining my new vans. Damn it. Oh, the door don't open from the inside, I forgot. Kick it. Go out the other side, I don't know. We're gonna get this thing pulled out and we're gonna go jump this thing real quick. Because we're getting ready for Cleetus and Cars. I wouldn't be able to do this without my sponsors. I know I got the JS logo on the front, got Modern Racing, we got Recon right here. Tyler! I need your help.
What?
It's stuck. We gotta pull it out.
I can't pull it out with this.
Why can't you?
This ain't no pull, like the pull, it'll break the belt.
Well, what we gotta do?
You got that struck.
Tell him to come over here. Well, guys, we got the chain hooked up. We're gonna go ahead and hook it up to the box plate and get this thing out of here because I want to jump this thing. So that's my ultimate goal today, is to start jumping this. Tyler, you ain't gonna help us? You're just gonna leave us? Okay. I read all y'all's comments. We're gonna start making longer videos. This is how we're gonna do it. Hold up, let me help him real quick. Hook it to something. Or hook it around the ball. I read all y'all's comments. We're gonna make longer videos, proper PPE, so we're safety out here. But we're gonna do what we have to do and keep on going with the channel. We're growing together. Swan Gang is getting big. I can't thank all of y'all enough for helping me, liking, comment, subscribing. Hold up. Come on. Come on. Hold up, don't run into me. Turn left. Come on. Told you we were gonna get it. Come on. Oh. All right, unhook it so we can, let's go jump this thing. I told you we would get it. Hey, my tattoo's getting all dirty. I need to go clean it up. Now we got this thing back up and rolling. Slick VIC is getting with it. I told you we'd get this thing going. All right, guys, we're gonna go over here and try to jump this ramp now.
You need to take that thing to Braden just like that. With all the jump. Yep. You won't send it all the way over. No, I ain't getting in there. That's a death trap.
Yeah.
Hey, when he jumps the dude, it's gonna take
Yeah. He's gonna eat the dash too.
one, it's probably gonna blow the airbag off, fuck them all up in the face. And two, he's gonna fucking throw that car.
Uh-huh.
That thing will break and do no fucking. Now you gotta back up to the center. There we go. Don't let up again. Hold that floor.
Yeah, it's gonna pop as soon as you cut it.
Y'all ready?
Do it. You got it. Start from there. Oh shit.
Hey, back up over here. Send it. You send it. You send it.
Hell yeah.
Hey, I'll get in there and do it. Hey, something's up underneath. Something happened to it.
Yeah, you heard that?
What's up underneath the car? Huh? We're good. Let's go. Come on. No, I'm ready.
Yeah, I think it was just a rock. Tyler's gonna send it. Hey, y'all get in the car. Y'all three get in there.
Hey, Justin.
Guys, so we got to jump the ramp, but now I got my little brother in the car. He's gonna get with it. So we're gonna go ahead and let him go send it off this time. What you gonna do? Do a donut! Go send it.
Hey, that's it. It ain't even running good. Y'all done fucked it up. Told you.
until it dies.
Hey, Slinky's gonna be pissed. Now y'all don't get to video. Check engine.
Why ain't it wanting to run?
I don't know.
Put it in neutral. Oh, it's ready to ride. Hold up.
Let me turn it off.
No, you can't. Won't fire back up.
Damn. I want to fire back up.
Welcome back. I don't know if we're going to go to Cleats and Cars.
Yeah.
I mean, we might still go down there. We might just not have a car.
You blew it up?
It's hot.
How hot?
Won't go over 5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
So we're going to go eat lunch. And then we'll come back and it should be cooled down and we'll get ready to go.
Okay.
All right. You riding with us?
I can.
Come on. Let's go. Well, guys, we're back from lunch. We let the Slick Vic cool down. It's still a little bit hot. We did realize we cracked the radiator. So we're not 100% sure we're going to be able to take the car to Cleetus and Cars. Slinky says we're going regardless.
We're taking the car. Well, I'm going to blow it up. I don't give a damn what happens. I'm going to hold it in neutral, and I'm going to blow it up, even if it goes in lit mode, won't spin a tire, and I'm going to hit a wall with it.
We got Uncle Mike over here now. So we're actually just painting it all up, getting it ready for Cleetus and Cars. Ooh. Got JS emblem on it. Got the Swan Gang. Got Eat, Sleep, Race, Recon. So, Slink, what are you about to do?
Try and get the airbag out.
We wouldn't be able to do this without our Recon sponsor or our Modern Racing. Who spray painted the window? You? You did?
Yeah.
What was the point of that? You didn't want to see out of it no more?
I don't need to see out of it.
All right, so you trying to get the airbag out of the steering wheel?
Yeah, with a hammer.
Oh God, this is
Might not be good.
maybe it don't work. How's it supposed to work, Mike? I ain't never wrecked the car.
There's a sensor on the bumper.
Oh, there is no bumper.
There's no bumper.
There's a sensor somewhere up there. Look under there and see if you can see the sensor where it is on the thing.
Oh, there's a wire that's ripped out over there.
Dude, that's just a danger waiting to happen right there, bro.
So we're gonna drive over to the pole barn real quick. A buddy of ours is bringing over our radiator. We're gonna put the radiator in the car because all we need is a radiator, right?
That's it.
But it won't run hot no more.
Nope.
Well,
It ain't running hot anyway.
Well, it can't. We spray painted the dash.
Yeah, it's good.
They're good. So
Tight. We're tight.
Slink,
What?
what'd I tell you about smoking in the vehicles?
Not bad, dude.
Come on, man. Crack a window. Are you kidding me? Slink!
Well, fuck, I can
Just roll the window down.
They don't roll down.
I rolled mine down, Slink.
Yeah, well, these back here don't roll down.
Man.
There we go. Let me finish it off real quick.
What are you doing? Stop! This guy's destructive. Now I gotta put a window in it.
Now we're gonna get stuck.